You are not lazy, you are not untalented. You are just making video for everyone and reaching no one. That's what I was doing. No matter how good my content was, view came and then died. That's when I realized I was creating for the people, not for a person. You wanna know why your page isn't growing? You haven't built your audience persona. Let's fix that. You post with your heart, you edit for hours, you even SEO the title and then 20 views, no comment, no share, no one cares. I have been there and I am there. And one brutal truth hit me. Content without context is just a noise. When you don't know exactly who are you talking to, you are basically yelling in a crowded room and hoping someone listens. Now imagine this. You walk into the same room, look someone in the eyes and say, "Hey, I know what you are going through." That's what audience persona does. Now I ask you, are you creating for an audience or just hoping someone listens? Think your audience persona as your content best friend. It's the one person you are making video for, not a group, not a niche, one human being. It answers questions like what keeps them up at night, what they wanna do, what words they use, which platform do they hang out on. I call mine Aaron. He is 18 to 25 years old, broke but passionate, confused by gurus, hungry to learn, stuck but not quitting. When I talk at the camera, I am not thinking of 100k followers. I am thinking of him. Question is, do you know who your Aaron is? Bro, I will post consistently and audience will come naturally. Nah, that's like building a house without knowing who is gonna live in it. Most creators skip persona work because it feels boring or too early. Without it, you are wasting months creating content that never connects. I was doing that, talking like a marketer, but Aaron, he needs someone to talk to like a friend. Truth, content isn't king, connection is. So let me ask you, are you creating content to impress others or connect someone specific? So here's how I built mine. Simple, free, and real. Name them. Trust me, it works. Age, gender, location. Be specific. What they are struggling with. Money, motivation, overwhelm. Where do they spend time online? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. What kind of content do they consume? Entertaining, educational, or tutorial? What words do they use when they are frustrated or excited? What's their ambition? What's their monthly income? I wrote mine in Google Docs. I read it before I film, before I post, before I plan anything. Because I am not creating for everyone. I am creating for Aaron. Now think about this. What if you know your audience so well? They thought you are reading their mind. Sound interesting, right? Okay, Rohan. Now I have a persona. Now what do I do with it? Here's the sauces. Talk in their language, not yours. Make content that solves their pain, not just what you wanna say. Use their frustration as your hook. Show up where they are, not where the gurus told you to go. Now I ask myself every time, would Aaron like this? Would Aaron save this? Would he send this to a friend? If not, I don't post it. So are you creating with intention or just throwing spaghetti at the algorithm? Your audience persona isn't a form you fill out. It's a mirror. It helps you speak clearly, connect deeply, and build slowly but real. You don't need a ring light or a viral idea. You just need to talk to the right person in a right way. Hit the like button if you already have a audience persona, or comment audience persona if you are going to start today. Follow if you want to learn how to build your content like a brand, because next video we are doing a full digital presence audit, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. So follow or subscribe and stay connected.